How to fix this setting is disabled on managed browser. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix this setting is disabled on managed browser error. So if you don't know what this error is, whenever you're trying to head over to your settings on your web browser and you try to use your secure DNS, that is, you head over to privacy and security, and then you head over to security, and there you should find use secure DNS option. If you see this getting disabled on managed browser, what you do is you open up your registry editor, give it permission, and let me just minimize all of that. So after you're on your registry editor, you first expand on HKey local machine, then you head over to software, and after you're on your software, let me just do that, search for policies. So there we go, there's policy, expand on that, and there you should find Google Chrome. If you don't find Google Chrome, that's completely all right. There should be a folder called Google, and inside there should be Chrome. And after you find Google Chrome, what you do is just select whatever file there is and right click on it and then tap on delete. After you tap on the delete button, your policies folder will get deleted, and after that you can reload or restart your entire device and you should see that this should get enabled. And that's how you fix this issue. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.